These are my Curl Crush Awards for Curlsmith. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and I love talking all things wavy curly hair science. I am supposed to be your friendly local high school chemistry teacher. That's not what I do. Instead, I play around with all things wavy curly hair. I test hundreds of curly hair products on this head of hair, give you tips and tricks about which products may or may not work best for you. And I'm actually a brand new certified cosmetologist in the state of Texas. If you want to come see me and get your hair cut with me, you are welcome to check out the links in the description down below to kind of maybe sort of book an appointment with me. But this video is all about my absolute favorite products from a little brand called Curlsmith. They're not so little anymore. They have lots of products. And it can feel kind of overwhelming looking at a brand like that going, I think this might be good for my curls, but I have no idea where to start. It's a little overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff. This video is to show you my absolute favorite products from the brand Curlsmith and exactly how I got this wash day result. This wavy curly wash day result. And spoiler alert, one of these products used to be one of my least favorite stylers of all time. I wasn't using it right. I finally figured out how to use it, and now it has become one of my favorite all-time stylers. So kicking off this wash day, this is what my hair looked like before. Don't let the curls fool you. This hair was twisted up in a bun on top of my head. Any wave, bend, or curl you are seeing in this hair is from the fact that it was like wrapped up in a top knot. We're gonna kick things off with the Curlsmith Bonding Oil. The reason that this oil from Curlsmith is one of my curl crushes, one of my favorite products, is it's an incredibly lightweight oil with some bonding technology in it. It has a plant silk complex, which is a blend of plant-based derived esters specifically designed to outperform silicones while being lighter weight than raw oils. Also, it does not build up on the hair, but it works amazing as a pre-shampoo oil treatment for curly hair. If you're finding that your hair gets wildly tangly and matted almost, this oil has an incredible amount of slip, and consistently over time, if you do a pre-shampoo oil treatment on your curls, your hair will get softer, silkier, and less prone to tangles over time. Pre-shampoo oil treatments are awesome, and this one from Curlsmith in particular is amazing because of how slippy it is and how lightweight it is. Once I've let that oil sit in my hair for about 30 minutes, I'm gonna get my hair nice and soaking wet. Then I'm gonna go in with the Curl Reset Detox Shampoo. This is a deep detox shampoo that removes buildup, dirt, and hard water minerals, but this one's my favorite chelating shampoo because it does not leave the hair feeling dry or stripped in any way. It's got a really gentle blend of chelating ingredients that form micelles around hard water and metal buildup and help them rinse off the hair really gently. It also has peppermint oil and apple cider vinegar, which are both nice scalp ingredients if your scalp tends to get flaky or oily or inflamed. I find that those ingredients work amazing in shampoo for irritated scalps. Once I've given my hair a really nice cleanse, I'm gonna go in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. This is an intense pre-shampoo treatment loaded with amino acids that help repair and hydrate and protect your hair against damage. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, Courtney, if it's a pre-shampoo treatment, why did you wash your hair with the detox shampoo before going in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve? Well, friend, that is because I put that pre-shampoo oil treatment on my hair and I needed to cleanse my hair at least once first before going in with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve to make sure that I got proper product penetration into my hair. The thing that makes the Bond Curl Rehab Salve one of my curl crushes is it targets not one, not two, but 3 of the different bonds in your hair. It targets the hydrogen bonds in your hair, it targets the salt bonds, and it targets the disulfide bonds, helping to repair all 3 of those. So you cover lots of bases of bond repair with this product, whereas a lot of bond repair treatments only cover 1, maybe 2 of the bonds in your hair. So once I've got that in my hair, I'm gonna let that sit for roughly 15 minutes. I'm gonna go chill and doom scroll on my phone, shamelessly doom scroll. Then I'm gonna come back and rinse that Bond Curl Rehab Salve completely out of my hair. Go in with a second cleanse of the Detox shampoo. I typically cleanse my hair twice on any given wash day. Double cleansing my hair really helps my products work better. I get better curl wash days when I wash my hair twice. And this Detox shampoo is gentle enough that I can actually wash my hair twice with it without over stripping my hair. So, and the Bond Curl Rehab Salve does say to wash your hair after you use it. So I just washed it once before, did the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and washed my hair again. Now I'm gonna go in with the Multitasking Conditioner. This is my Curl Crush for being one of the best multitasking products I have ever tried. You know how it is when you go to try a multitasking product and it doesn't do any one of the things it claims to do well. It kind of sort of does all of those things, but it's kind of sort of mediocre at being those things. This Multitasking Conditioner is the first multitasking product I've used that actually works insanely well at multiple different applications in a wash day. It makes an incredible deep conditioner if you apply it with heat. If you put on a plastic shower cap and wrap your head up in a terry cloth towel and let it sit for like 30 to 45 minutes. It also is lightweight enough that it can be used as a regular rinse out conditioner, which is how I'm gonna use it today. Or it makes an incredible leave-in, leave-on conditioning product. If your curls are particularly damaged or dehydrated, excellent leave-in conditioner. So now that I've got that all the way brushed through my hair, very evenly distributed, now I'm going to rinse it out nice and thoroughly. Also, PS, it has hydrolyzed rice protein in it. Love that as a reconstructive ingredient in a product. Now that it's all rinsed out, I'm gonna go in with the Miracle Shield. This is one of my favorite curly hair heat protectants of all time. It has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. It not only protects your hair against heat, but it also protects against UV rays, seawater, chlorine, even brushing. It adds a little tiny bit of slip to the hair. So if you really like brush styling and you want to protect your hair from the brush styling, the Miracle Shield will do that. However, I have found that it never alters the outcome of a wash day. It never makes my hair feel funky or weird, making it harder to style afterwards. Sometimes heat protectants have done that to me in the past. Now I'm going to wrap my hair up in my towel, but I'm gonna do it weird. I'm not plopping my hair, I'm just very gently wrapping it up so that I can head over to my mirror, take my hair down, run my fingers through it, kind of finger comb it a little bit, and then do a really quick brush styling routine, just kind of to organize my curl clumps just a little bit before I go in with my next step, which is the in-shower style fixer. This is an extremely strong hold styling gel that provides long-lasting definition, humidity protection, and shine. The weirdest / coolest ingredient in this product is the resurrection flower. It's a desert plant that survives up to 3 years without water. It's known for its moisture retention properties. So I'm just gonna take a decent amount here in my hands and glaze it over and scrunch it in, making sure to turn my head from side to side to side to side as I scrunch it in, really scrunching and pulsing and pulsing and scrunching. Then I'm gonna grab just a touch more of this product, turn my head to the side and really glaze and scrunch the product to the side and back of my head so that I don't lose definition in those areas. And then you guessed it, I'm gonna turn my head the other way, grab just a little bit more gel, glaze it over, scrunch it in, and scrunch and pulse and pulse and scrunch. Then I'm gonna take my super sopping, soaking wet towel and scrunch my hair again with that wet towel. really taking my time to scrunch and pulse and scrunch. I find that this way of plopping recently has really been working well for me and my clients that come and see me in salon. Using the really wet towel doesn't remove the gel from your hair because the towel is already fully saturated with water. It's not gonna soak up product from your hair, but it helps activate the curls a little bit more and helps your hair absorb the gel a little bit better for longer lasting wash days. Then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite curly hair hairsprays ever, and I'm gonna apply it my favoriteest way to apply curly hair hairspray. I'm gonna apply it on damp hair. This is the Flawless Finish Hairspray. It has a really strong hold without making your curls feel crunchy, stiff, or weird like you used hairspray. It gives you the hold without the weird hairspray feeling. It helps control frizz, it keeps your curls in place all day. It also has really good high humidity protection. It's made without alcohol. It has pro vitamin B5, which helps with frizz control and helps keep the hair feeling really soft and moisturized. And adding a touch of hairspray on top of an extremely hard hold gel has been really helping keep my curls looking better longer, the longer my hair gets. Then I'm going to dry my hair. And here is what the curls are looking like right after I diffused. I'm gonna scrunch out the crunch really, really well, give my roots an incredibly good root fluff. And here is what the final scrunched out wash day result is looking like. Right? My hair feels so lightweight, so bouncy, so defined, no frizz in sight. An incredible wash day. And because I know you love it, here is what the curls were looking like at the end of the day. Now, on this particular day, it was raining cats and dogs, hogs and frogs. It was raining like crazy, and you can see that even in the humidity, my hair held up absolutely beautifully with very little frizz. And here is what my hair was looking like on the morning of day 2. With absolutely zero refresh, just taking my hair down out of my overnight hair protection. And here is where my last and final curl crush from Curlsmith comes in. It is the Shake and Shine Curl Refreshing Mist. Guys, I've tried a lot of refreshing products, and this is the only one that has ever done what I want it to do. You don't need much. This stuff is strong, it's concentrated. After you give the bottle a quick shake, you do 1, 2, 3 sprays, that is it. Smooth your hands over your hair and give your hair a scrunch, and look at the amount of shine and frizz reduction we got. Isn't that incredible? It's got 7 types of hyaluronic acid in it, which give the hair lots and lots of moisture and shine without causing frizz. And that is it, guys. Those are my absolute favoriteest products from Curlsmith. I know Curlsmith has a lot of different things in their line, and it can be a little intimidating when you look at everything they carry and go, I literally have no idea what to try. I personally find, as somebody with fine, wavy, soft finish curls with very low porosity hair, it's this wash day routine that gives me the results that I crave. And full disclosure, this video was sponsored by Curlsmith, but you guys know the drill by now. I refuse to work with brands that don't have products that I don't completely and utterly love. Curlsmith has made it their mission to feed the world's curls. That's why they have so many products in their line. They want to make sure that they have something for every single hair type out there. They are doing their absolute darndest to make sure that we all embrace our waves and curls and embrace how we are fearfully and wonderfully made. Taking sponsorships does allow me to continue showing up here on the internet and helping you with your curls, so thank you for your understanding. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!